This assessment asks us to draw the molecular orbital picture of propane, making sure to show the shape around each of the tetrahedral carbons in propane. And so we start there by recognition that every carbon in propane has 4 bonds, 4 areas of electron density, will be tetrahedral and therefore sp3 hybridized. Let's start by drawing the chain, the carbon chain of propane. And so we can do that by connecting each of these using sp3 hybridized orbitals. Note that each carbon is going to have 4 sp3 hybridized orbitals coming off of it. If we show the carbons in the plane of the board, then the 2 hydrogens here, one will be coming forward and one will be going back. That is going to indicate the tetrahedral nature of this carbon. We can do the same thing for the 2 carbons on the left and the right. One of the hydrogens will be in the plane of the page. We'll put both of those in. And now each carbon will have 1 hydrogen coming towards you and 1 hydrogen going away. By showing the 4 sp3 hybridized orbitals, we end up at each carbon, we end up with this as the molecular orbital picture for propane.